Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. Today I'm going to be trying something new again, and this is going to be the swipe pour, where you put your colors down in a row, and then you have the white or black, and go over the top of them with a piece of plastic or paper towel. I'm using this from the school project folders, where it has a clip in the back here, and just cut it in half. And I'm going to be using that today. The colors I'm going to be using today is the Full Cart Metallic Pure Gold, the DecoArt Metallic Amethyst, DecoArt Metallic Sapphire, DecoArt Metallic Crystal Green, one of my favorites, and DecoArt Extreme Sheen Berry. And I think I'm going to go in the order that they're in right now. So I'm going to start with the gold. Go in with the amethyst. Oh, got a little gunk there. There we go. And the beautiful sapphire. And the crystal green. Now, in my base paints, I do not have silicone that I'm putting on here right now. The silicone is in the Master's Touch Titanium White, which I'm going to go from the top down with. And the berry. And it looks like I'm going to do another little section of each color. Whoops, I went out of order. Shame on me. Well, this is going to make it interesting. I don't know if it'll be much of a difference though. So let's set these aside so I have room to do the swipe. And I'm going to take my white paint here and do it along the top. Alright, so what you're going to do is you just want to lay the edge in the white to grab it, and in one fluid motion bring it down. Oops. Now let's give it a torch. See how that looks. Ooh, that's neat. I got colors and colors coming up in the cells. Try to get some more of that gold up. Ooh, I'm loving the lacing. All right, let me get some gloves on. Now what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna tilt it up. Oh, I'm loving that lacing. All right. Let's see. So I'm going to start tilting it up. I'm rocking it so I can try to get the weight even. There we go. Let's bring that back now. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let's try to get it off this edge over here. Trying to get that purple and gold to come out. Ooh, I am liking this. Let's try to bring that back. And off this side, see if we can get some of that purple and gold coming out. Alright, so I'm going to bring it back down. I think I might have stretched it too far on that side, so I'm going to have to bring this side because that's a lot of negative space. Unless I can torch it and have anything pop up, because I can see some color underneath the white. Okay, I'm going to try to go to this end now. Maybe I can open up some of that purple and gold. Oh, there's some. There's purple in that gold there. I like that. Let's bring it back down. And I'm going to go for this corner, whoops, right here. Now I'm rocking a little bit, trying to get the weight of it. Sorry about the sirens, y'all. There we go. Oh, I'm loving the lacing in this so much. Let's get that weight back in the center. And have a little look-see. Help draw that paint down. Oh, I'm loving the lacing effect. The lacing is beautiful. Even though I distorted it a little bit. All right, let's give it a torch here. Oh, I'm really liking it. I know it doesn't have the negative space as a swipe does. And that's because I went off too much trying to get that purple and gold out. But I do like it. I wish I had kept the purple and blue next to each other than the green. It sort of got muddled down here in these colors. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you'll be notified when I put my next video up. Also, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.